Meron bang mga multo ka sa buhay mo? Ano bang multo? Parang minumulto? Ano ibig sabihin nun? Binabalikan ka ng mga bagay-bagay, even tao, na sa tingin mo, parang meron ka pang dapat gampanan. Something of a regret ba? Or something of a unfinished business? Is that the meaning of ano ang multo mo sa buhay mo? Many a times, All Souls Day, kinakatakutan because you could see the advertisements and maybe you could even see what's hanging out in some rich homes where they have had a trick and treat of Halloween, that they push an image of the souls of the dead to be something frightening, fearful. Well, you and I, we are made of body and soul. Already now, we have soul. But the more important thing for me, kung meron ka bang minumulto ka ba, I think if it is true, then it's a time of reckoning, di ba? It's a time to recognize, to claim that meron yatang bumabalik sa akin that is not finished business yet. If we are bold enough and courageous enough to face those multo, to face what seems to be not yet reconciled, not yet fully embraced in our life, I think it's a call to betterment, to improvement. I think it's also a call to health. Yung makakabuti sa iyong pagkatao. So, wag tayong matakot sa multo. Let us not be afraid of what could haunt us. Rather, be afraid if nothing at all, you can remember that may utang ka. That means you're too bloated, you're too arrogant to claim na meron ka ring pinagdaanan, nagkamali ka, kaya you're being haunted by those moments in your life. Listen, observe, and then make a decision to address, to reconcile with kamultuhan sa buhay mo. Now, I think it's also very important that we know it's All Souls Day. We know it's our friends, relatives, no, that have been here but have gone away. It's also the time to remember them. Not with fear, rather, we remember them with love, with concern. Why? Why do we have to be concerned of them? Because they could be regretting something, and that could be their purgatory, purging, a cleansing moment in their life. So, kung meron kang multo sa buhay mo, just imagine what are the regrets, and just imagine those in purgatory, how much regrets they have in life. Opportunities lost, chances bypassed. Mga kapatid, why don't you and I face our multo? And instead of being fearsome, takot, gawin nating tawag. Tawag ng panahon sa pagbabago, tawag ng panahon sa pagiging mas mabuting tao.